Alright. I'm gonna cycle through Palantir, the hood. SoFi's looking pretty consolidated. A little gap up. It does seem a little mixed today, but we're off. The hood's coming down. That's yesterday's high. What's Microsoft doing? Looks like so far we got mad elephant bars coming down, but it's coming down into a support area for yesterday's data, the moving averages. But I have a swing trade going on from Friday, but it's not looking very good. Oh, this looks like a nice tail forming at the narrow state. We got a hood with a bottom tail. Even though she's red, this here is pretty much a big green bar. The tail is. I could buy this pullback as an aggressive play. It'll actually shorten my risk if she truly doesn't work out, or reduce my risk, I should say. Let me do a quick look at Palantir. It looks like forming a tail on the 5. Looks like a bear 180 look with Palantir. Or a bull 180, I'm sorry. Bull. We're still muddling around there. Oh. There we go. Got 25 shares in. Palantir I had down here. I forgot about that though. There we go. Take this tail. It's like a double tail bar situation. Okay, I'm managing two stocks right now. We're up $1 on Palantir. I'm gonna get out because I don't trust. Well, let's trust it. That's only 10 cents past the high. I drew this line out here for a couple other areas, so let's try to get to that orange line. We should have follow through out of this dual tail bar set on hood. Let me click over here, get a little more clarity. Ouch. Palantir can go fast, so what's the daily look like? I know we've been going down. Ouch. I don't want to. It's definitely a bull event for Palantir. Let's check hood again. Oh. Our stop's going to be below the event, so down this 82.78. So we're looking at, let's get another color change event here. I'm going to add. We'll add there, peaky boot above the body. Palantir's, there we go, push. So we get to 39. That's a big, let's see, 35 to 37. We should be able to get some more out of that. Come on, hood, don't fail me. Or don't fail me, hood. It might just be taking a little longer. Let's check on my swing trade. Nice. I have a target set up here. Oh, there we go. Boom. There we go. Nice. Since she's not, oh man. I was just getting ready to say, since she's not moving. We're moving pretty good. I need to sell out of this. This is like push 3. Right below 139. Let's get another bar up into there. Hood. Nice. Let's get, I'm gonna sell, take some profits. It's the top of a big bar. Keep an eye on this. New order, sell, stop. I'm gonna make a couple stop orders to trail what's going on with hood. I'll do the same thing with hood. Sell, stop. I'll do a 10. So I'm moving kind of fast because here is an area where I want to get out. And then I'm going to set a stop order. I'll trail this out. Okay, that order is still going. Let's see what we got with Hood. I think she's bouncing back some. Let's get this up. Let's get this up to here. We're in the driver's seat. I want to make another stop order. For Hood. And we're really taking off past the 8. But the 20 is still tight. So for right now, let's look ahead. Let's check Palantir. We move this up. Keep the big bar as a that's $3. 38.63. That's almost $2 away. I think we're going to see some resistance here. Hopefully she'll just chop a little and not slam us down. But using that big bar to give her some room. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm getting out of this for that. Take some profit. We're getting pretty wide. And then I'll leave these 5 to trail. I'm gonna try to leave tight because I really probably need to. Excuse me. Gosh. Okay, that got out. Because we got boom, pull back, boom. This looks like a whale complete, at least within the 15 minutes. But something tells me I'm gonna let these 5 ride with Hood because sometimes Hood can be chop around a little bit. Let's see what we got here. This is the big bar, big-ish bar. Actually, this needs to come down a little. I'd love to add here, but I feel like we're a little too far away. So I'm just going to let these 5 ride. Yeah, I drew that line. This will be a first color change for the 5-minute chart. Oh, she bounced right off that one right there. Sorry for all the back and forth. Now it's just sit and wait. I'm going to mute the mic for a moment. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up just a little bit. Keep below right here. Looks like we're getting rejected again up here, but we'll see if she punches through. Okay, let's check on the Microsoft. Alright, I got my 1 share filled. I probably could have definitely waited. There goes hood. And now we're going to start trailing the 8. I'll trail the 8 until this next bar forms. Oh, really? It's going to stay here, even if the next bar forms. Nice. It's trades like this, it makes me wish I should hang on a little bit more, but with the overall sentiment in the market, it seems like with the downtrend on the daily chart, you know, this is today, it's heading up. I mean, she easily could have just failed and rolled over. Let's move this one up. There. We'll probably get another 35, $4 from here. We might get up to this line I drew last week. Let me actually go back. So we have our trailing stop method. Got the hood. I'm going to put it under this big bar. Big-ish bar. But that filled in a little late. And it looks like it's going to get us. Yep, that's alright. But maybe I could have kept it where it's at, but I'm out of hood. Looks like we got a top tail here. Still in Palantir. I don't like that top tail, but she could be ready to go back towards the 20. The 20 is still relatively, we're real far on this 5. I think we're exhausted. This move's exhausted. But Palantir can put long runs in, so let's go. Get past this again. Oh, that's another bottom tail. As much as I want to move the stop up, I'm going to keep it where it's at. I probably should have it under here, but that's my decision because that's not a small bar. 139. That's 39.40. That's almost a dollar bar. And then I think we're working our way back to the 20. And our stop got triggered. And I am out of Palantir. Probably. We'll see if I should have kept it there or not, but if we get a pull back in to the 20, could be another opportunity, but let's check our swing. Alright, so that's it. Palantir and hood, green on the day. Trading the open. Palantir's event was you could call it a bull 180 or engulfing. I'm sure there's several terms for it. Got actually a little late entry, but it's a high probability setup. And then hood, look at these tails, entered added here. I'm sorry, entered here, added on bar 3, and took profits along the way on each play. And that is all she wrote for me today. Take care now.